Morning YouTube. So it has been a while since we've given an update. We were actually in Telluride last time you guys saw us, and then we drove over to Steamboat, which is where we are now, to see Katie's brother and sister. So we had a pretty cool drive over here though. It was a couple days ago, but it was about a 7-hour drive, saw a bunch of cool animals, so you guys are gonna get to see that drive now.
Breakfast right now, then we got a fun day planned. We are going to clean the van. If you've seen our Instagram, our van is getting crazy muddy messy. So we're gonna tackle that. And after that, we're gonna tell you guys about some crazy stuff that's been happening in our lives.
Okay, so we showed up in Steamboat, and luckily this garage is huge, so we were able to pull in, get out of the freezing cold for a little bit, but look at how dirty this van is. Absolutely disgusting. But we've got a bucket, some rags, and we're about to get going. Just wait for the after picture. This is gonna be crazy. How much better does that look?
A lot better.
Shines. Yeah, that looks good. Katie cleaned the inside of...
Yeah, I mopped the floor, so don't think that I wasn't doing anything. Peeps.
While I was outside in the snow washing the van. Well, we also cleaned the inside of the van. Haven't put our bedding back on, but we're washing it. Luckily, we can do some laundry inside Matt and Emma's place. But a lot of stuff's been going on with us over the last week, which we haven't been updating. But what happened? Well, a couple things. First, we decided to come visit Matt and Emma. And prior to us coming here, they had gotten COVID tests that came back negative. And then we showed up and somebody else got retested and it came up positive. So we are around COVID infested individuals and so that was rough. But luckily we went and got tested yesterday and it came back negative.
And we're both feeling really fine, so
yeah.
Fingers crossed, everybody.
Yeah, so that's good news, but we were getting a little nervous there, and we've done, as much as we can to, social distance and not get COVID. And then after the negative tests, we were like, oh, we're good to go. And then, somebody got retested and it was bad news. Another thing that happened was right when we got here, so we have been staying in really cold areas. Right when we got here, they had a garage, pulled into the garage, and a couple hours later, we came back to the garage and there was water spewing out of our water heater. Super scary. I thought that our water tank had burst and that basically our van was flooded. That was not the case. There was no water that actually got in our van, but that was super scary. But we fixed it. It was just a pressure valve that flipped due to the huge change in temperature very quickly.
Oh, we also got
Shore power.
Oh, we did.
So that was pretty exciting. We got a fancy new battery charger, which we'll show you guys. But now we're able to plug in and charge the van that way, which is really nice because we're in a garage. So obviously we're not getting much solar energy. And we want to keep those batteries charged. So that's been awesome.
So we needed to get shore power because we were in Telluride in a bunch of snowstorms and we kept running out of power, which first of all, not good for the batteries. Second of all, makes it very hard to live in a van when you have no power. So that was definitely one obstacle that we ran into. And we have an inverter that if the power is low, it starts beeping. So we were getting woken up multiple times a night, every hour and a half, to our inverter beeping. So that kind of sucked. So here is our battery charger that we picked up. Well, we actually ordered it on Amazon. Well, we've got that hooked up to our batteries back there and plugged in to an outlet over by Katie. So that's nice. It's 50 amps, so it's strong enough to charge our batteries while also running our all of our appliances as well. Well, we finished making our bed, doing all our laundry. I shaved, but thank you guys for watching. As we said, we've had a lot going on, and we haven't been updating you guys for the past week, but we will get better. Tomorrow, we are going snowboarding, so we're going to be getting some cool footage of that. Yeah, a lot going on around here, but thanks for continuing to follow along.